Circular fashion refers to an approach to clothing production and consumption that aims to minimize waste, reduce environmental impact, and promote sustainability throughout the entire life cycle of garments. It involves shifting from the traditional linear, take, make, dispose model of fashion to a circular economy model, where materials are reused, recycled, or regenerated to create new clothing items. Here's how circular fashion promotes sustainable clothing production. Design for durability and longevity. Circular fashion emphasizes the design of durable, high-quality garments that are built to last. By prioritizing durability and longevity, designers create clothing items that can withstand wear and tear, retain their shape and functionality over time, and resist fading and deterioration. Long-lasting garments reduce the need for frequent replacements, thereby reducing resource consumption and waste generation. Materials innovation and recycling. Circular fashion encourages the use of sustainable and eco-friendly materials in clothing production, such as organic cotton, recycled polyester, and lyocell derived from renewable sources. Additionally, it promotes the recycling and upcycling of existing textiles and garments to create new clothing items. Through textile recycling initiatives, old clothing is collected, sorted, and processed into new fibers or fabrics, closing the loop and reducing the demand for virgin materials. Resource efficiency and waste reduction. Circular fashion seeks to minimize resource consumption and waste generation throughout the clothing production process. It promotes efficient use of materials, energy, and water in garment manufacturing, as well as the adoption of innovative production techniques, such as zero-waste pattern cutting and lean manufacturing practices. By optimizing resource utilization and reducing waste at every stage of the supply chain, circular fashion reduces environmental impact and enhances resource efficiency. Repair, resale, and rental. Circular fashion encourages alternative consumption models, such as clothing repair, resale, and rental services, to extend the lifespan of garments and reduce their environmental footprint. Repair initiatives provide consumers with access to garment repair services, such as mending, alterations, and patching, to prolong the life of their clothing items. Resale platforms and second-hand stores enable consumers to buy and sell pre-owned clothing, diverting garments from landfills and promoting a circular economy for fashion. Similarly, clothing rental services offer consumers the opportunity to rent clothing for special occasions or everyday wear, reducing the need for individual ownership and promoting resource sharing. End-of-life solutions. Circular fashion addresses the end-of-life phase of clothing by promoting responsible disposal and recycling practices. It encourages the development of infrastructure and technologies for textile recycling, including mechanical recycling, chemical recycling, and biological recycling methods. These processes enable the recovery of valuable fibers and materials from worn-out or unsalvageable garments, closing the loop and reducing the environmental impact of clothing disposal. Consumer education and awareness. Circular fashion engages consumers in sustainable fashion practices through education, awareness raising, and advocacy initiatives. It promotes transparency and traceability in the fashion supply chain, empowering consumers to make informed choices about the clothing they purchase. By raising awareness of the environmental and social impacts of fashion consumption, circular fashion encourages consumers to adopt more sustainable purchasing behaviors, such as buying fewer but higher quality garments, supporting ethical and eco-friendly brands, and embracing circular consumption models. Overall, circular fashion promotes sustainable clothing production by advocating for design innovation, materials recycling, resource efficiency, alternative consumption models, end-of-life solutions, and consumer education. By embracing circular economy principles, the fashion industry can minimize its environmental footprint, conserve natural resources, and contribute to a more sustainable and equitable future for fashion.